Hello, today I'm talking about three people, and I think if you can get to those three, you can start working on your dream. Join me. Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. This is a channel I started to share what I know and continue to learn. My videos are normally about business tips, earning money online, especially earning it through affiliate marketing, and I also record videos to share, to motivate you to take those steps that get you to the next level in your life. My name is Sherifa Nakalima, business owner here in Virginia, USA. If you are new here, welcome. If you've seen me one, two, three, four times, thank you for getting back. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't. And recently, I've noticed that people have been actually leaving comments but not liking. Please, you may forget to like. Like people leave good comments, but then forget to like the video. Please do both. You could like it right now if you think you're gonna like it. I don't know. So, and also don't forget that on the right there is a bell. Click on it so that you get notified when I record a video or when I upload a video, which I do now every Sunday. I've done that consistently, but I want to add in a Wednesday, hoping starting next week. Now, today is just, I was just thinking, I said, let me talk about it here. Maybe it will make some sense. And please, I invite comments. Have you heard of the statement that you are the average of the 5 people you spend most of your time with? Like you are the average of the 5 people you spend your time with. If you get to think about it, depending on where you are, it could be scary actually, because you could look around the 5 people that you spend your time with, and you look at the average, and it could scare you. So today, if you see the name, the title I gave this video, I'm saying if you can find 3 people, I think we could try to work on our dreams. These 3 kinds of people. But then I'm saying that out of those 5 that you have right now, they may not be 5, this is just a statement, but the people you have around you. If you could find one person, just one for a start, and this person believes in you, even a little bit, or someone you can talk to, like if you have your dream and you can talk to them and can respond, I think that would be enough. So I think that could be a starting point. And if you're like me, for me, I think most of the things I've done in my life has just been me and my books. I read books. Look, this Rich Dad Poor Dad started off my journey. I have this one, by the way, they may be looking upside down, but hopefully you understand. This is Rich Dad Poor Dad. This is the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I have here Susie, the 9 Steps to Financial Freedom. I have this one. I wanted to mention this one because I always show off my books. Although these days they're in my phone because they are more audio books. And recently I recorded a video where I was showing the marketing books, all those secrets by Russell Brunson. But I also have this book by Howard, the owner of Starbucks. This book here, I like autobiographies because you get to know about how they started this journey. That's a very interesting story. If you know how he came up with the idea of Starbucks, it's really very, very interesting. So the reason I'm mentioning this is that for me, it was always books. I go to books. That's where I get, like when I think of an idea, I go read about it, makes sense. I've tried so many things. Even starting my company, I had to read, how do you start a company? What do you need? I always read books. Those were my friends. But now I'm saying that if you are lucky enough and have one person, maybe this is your husband, wife, partner, friend, like someone I'm going to call a friend, of the 3 people I'm talking about, that first person could be your husband, could be your wife, could be your sister, your brother, anyone around who could you bounce off ideas with. And I want this person to be one who can show you the other side. Like when you're talking about all the good things about your idea, they can point out maybe the bad things about it. So that kind of person. If you can find that one, we're going to have a good beginning. And then let's come with your idea. What do you want to do? After that, the next person I want you to find, you know, when you go and you look at the people you need in your life, you need a coach, you need a mentor, what if you don't have them? Like, especially a coach. A coach is expensive. You have to pay money. So for me, this video, I'm trying to say that you can start with the 3 basic people. There has to be someone you can talk to, because you're going to be lonely. It's a lonely journey if you don't find someone to talk to. Like mine has been a lonely one, because it's me with my books. But then later now we have some videos. You can see someone who agrees with what you're thinking about. But I suggest that you at least have someone. This someone may not be with you, maybe on the phone, someone who will cheer you around, cheer you on, and someone who will believe in you. And when things are not going well, someone can talk to. Let's first find that one person. After that, we're going to find someone to learn from. What are you? What's your dream? What are you trying to do? Like, what's in there? So after you get sure that this is what you want, and you talk to your friend, that other person I said, and they think it's a good idea, I want you to go find out who is doing it. Who is doing it really, really well. And now it's easy. Me, I was reading books, but now you can just come to here, YouTube. You can go online and search and find someone who has done it. First watch, you hear what they're saying. And then, for me, if I find someone really like what they're saying, the very first thing I do, if they're offering some kind of opt-in, there's a free download, something where I can offer my email, I do that really fast. So put in your email, find their YouTube channel, subscribe, hit that notification so you don't miss anything. Then, if they have a website, if they have a podcast, whatever they do, Facebook group, you know, sometimes those gurus, sometimes you have to buy something. If it's something costing not so much, like maybe $7, and you have the $7, it's very common, they charge $7, or 14 or 15, and you have it, pay for that so you get inside. You get in the Facebook group, so you get to be close. You get to be close to hear what this person is saying. Go back to the basics and start following whatever they're saying. And start doing. Don't just listen, start doing. And then, as you do that, I want to find the 3rd person. And this 3rd person is going to be the one also doing the same. The other one already is finished it. The one, he's already on top. He has what you want. But now I want you to find another one who is also learning. I don't know how you're going to get this one. Maybe they're going to be in that Facebook group after joining or somewhere. Find someone who is going through it and who is going to call you, like your peer, so that you can bounce off ideas, or maybe they can be like your accountability partner. Like all these things I'm saying, I haven't given a real example. Let me give you a real example. Let's assume you want to be on YouTube. The first person that you started with would be someone who's willing to watch your first video, like before you upload it, to say, what do you think? That kind of person. They don't have to be there physically. They could be somewhere, you send it, they take a look, they say, okay, it makes sense. That person. Then the next one is the YouTuber who is really great, who has all the tips. That's where you're going to go and try to learn from them. See what they're saying. What do you have to be careful about? Especially most people who come to YouTube, they are hoping to maybe earn some money. Then this guru is going to tell you that's not easy, because you need 4,000 hours, you need all this. So you get to learn all the basics from this person. And then your next step is to find those new YouTubers, the other ones like you, who are just starting out. So Those you can find on Instagram or Facebook. When you find someone who has like 15 subscribers, 20 subscribers, those are starting out. Anyone under 100 is starting out. So you have someone you could talk to, you could, but like right now, that's why I started this YouTube channel, Facebook group. I started a Facebook group specifically to help those kind of people, to support them. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but at least I can encourage them. I can encourage, okay, you don't have lighting? Yeah, I don't have lighting either. I didn't have lighting. You don't have a camera? Yeah, you can start with your phone. That kind of person to support you. We have those kind of people in my Facebook group. They're all starting out. So you can pick out one and make them your friend. You can even talk outside of Facebook. You can even exchange numbers, that kind of person. Now, this one is different from the first one who was just watching. The other one is not appearing on camera, the first friend. But this one is doing it with you. This one is a peer. And this peer could be very useful because you could choose, it's a choice. You could choose that you be each other's accountability partner. Like I just said, I upload videos on Sunday, but you may find that this time you don't feel like recording. Now, you could have an agreement with your partner that, you know what, this peer, please, whenever you hear me say maybe I'm getting lazy about recording, please try to push me a little bit so that I commit to recording. So that could be your accountability partner. And then slowly you're going to get used to this, and slowly you're going to grow your YouTube channel. But this could be any other thing. It could be a business. You start a business, then you get to someone you're going to look up to learn how to set it up, and then you find some peers who are doing the same, especially the Facebook groups. You can even go just search for new people just starting out. You could find the peers over there. My point in this video is that don't wait for the guru, for the coach to show up, or to be able to afford to pay a coach. Don't wait for a real mentor, a physical one. You can just go find them on YouTube or everywhere they are, because they are there and they're offering the information for free. So don't just sit around and wait. And in this video, I want to invite you. I could even be your friend, the first one, the one, if you don't have one to talk to the very first time. Maybe those 5 people they talk about around you, you spend time with, there's no one who can support your dream. I want to be your friend. I want to be your friend. I'm going to put a link below to my Facebook group. Come, send me a message. First of all, you're going to apply to come to the group, and then ask to be my friend and send me a message. I want to support you if you want to come on YouTube. The other thing I want to support you with, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, because those are the 2 I do. I thought about how can I support some people. I've done it before, by the way. I've been inviting people, but I stopped recently. I wasn't inviting, so I'm inviting again. Come, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, and if you want to learn to be on YouTube. In YouTube, you're going to come to my Facebook group. I have all of them are new ones. They're all, I think most of them, they've never been on the camera. They have never recorded themselves before. So it's a good experience. And you first record inside the group, and then later you decide to put it on YouTube. All you need is your phone. And then with affiliate marketing, I don't teach affiliate marketing, but I'll support you. But Anthony Morrison is the guru with affiliate marketing. Just pay $7. I put a link below for you. So go do that now. Anthony will be that person. The one I said, the one in the middle, the one who helps you, who has the Facebook group, the podcast. I don't think Anthony has a podcast, but he has the Facebook group where you learn from. He has the lessons step by step. So that will be the one who knows what you want to do. And then in my group, when you come or when you contact me, then I can guide you outside. I could be sort of like your peer, because I've done this. I've done the Anthony program. I know everything. And I have other people who are doing it. So you'll find the peers. So don't feel bad that the 5 people around you are not going to support your dream, please come. We are here to support you. And this is not like a planned video. I just hopped on here and said, let me invite some people. These are tough times. These are tough times. But please, before you decide to come, know your why. Know why you want to do what you want to do. Because me, I don't joke around. You come to me and I say, I want to support you. I don't charge anything. I'll give you my time. But you have to know your why so you can commit. Like when you come to YouTube, you have to be ready to record a video every week. When you come to learn affiliate marketing, you have to have $7, number one. And number two, you have to commit like 2 hours every day to learn partner with Anthony. That's for earning money online through affiliate marketing. I have videos explaining affiliate marketing, what it is, right below. If you look in your playlist in the channel right below, there is a playlist for affiliate marketing. Everything is on there. This video is about, I want to be one of the people to support your dream, especially if it's about coming on YouTube or learning affiliate marketing. But also, I'm a business owner, so I know the basics of registering a company and all that stuff. Soon I'll be showing bookkeeping on here. So I'm here. That's what this video is all about. If you like it, if you know anyone, by the way, you may be watching me, everything is good for you, this is irrelevant, please share with someone who wants to be supported. Because I feel like I just turned 53. I mentioned it recently. I'm here to support anyone who wants to move forward, to take those steps. That's why I call it Take a Step with Better You. So did you like it? Give it a thumbs up. Share it, please. I want to support some people. And even if they don't have the $7, sometimes we help them out as long as I hear their story and they can commit to making their life better. It's all about taking the steps. People who are in my group, they'll tell you that. Okay, this was a quick one. I hope you give it a thumbs up. You subscribed already, right? It's not red. You subscribe and add a comment. What does it make sense or it doesn't? That those 3 people, even with 2, even if you don't have that friend, you have just someone to learn from and someone, a peer, even just someone to learn from. Like me, it's been just someone to learn from. That's how I've survived for a long time. As long as I watch someone who has done it and I learn from them, and not physical, but like by reading their book or by following them and following the steps they're giving. That's how I do my thing. And I'm here. If your why is strong enough, in fact, there's something I didn't mention. When you are dealing with this whole process of something new, at some point it becomes very, very hard. So for me, what I do, apart from remembering my why, I have some motivation that I listen to. I have some copies in my phone. I just play it. When I feel like, oh my God, this is tough today, it's a tough day, I just play it and the energy comes out. It reminds me why I started and I keep going. That's my message for you today. Okay? Like I always end them. Take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your family. Take very good care of your health. Take a step to a better you. Bye-bye.